In today's world, everyone wants to earn extra cash. Whether it's for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or just having some extra spending money, a side hustle can be the perfect solution. But finding the right side hustle can be a challenge. Many require specific skills or a significant time commitment. That's where EarnSmart comes in. EarnSmart is an app designed to make earning extra money easy and accessible for everyone. EarnSmart offers a variety of ways to earn, from taking surveys to watching videos. With EarnSmart, you're in control. You choose the tasks you want to complete, and you can work as much or as little as you like. No more strict schedules or demanding bosses. EarnSmart empowers you to earn on your own terms. This essay will guide you through the ins and outs of using EarnSmart to boost your income. I'll share practical tips and real-life examples to help you get started and maximize your earnings. Remember, every dollar you earn through EarnSmart is a step towards achieving your financial goals. Let's dive in and discover how EarnSmart can help you unlock your earning potential. Getting started with EarnSmart is quick and easy. Simply download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and create your free account. The app will guide you through a simple setup process where you can provide some basic information about yourself and your interests. This helps EarnSmart tailor earning opportunities to your preferences. Once you're all set up, you can start exploring the wide range of earning activities available within the app. EarnSmart offers something for everyone, whether you prefer sharing your opinions through surveys, watching entertaining videos, or even playing mobile games. The app is designed with user-friendliness in mind, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone. EarnSmart understands that your time is valuable. That's why each earning activity clearly states the estimated time required and the potential payout. This transparency allows you to make informed decisions about how you want to spend your time and maximize your earnings. Whether you have a few minutes to spare or a few hours, EarnSmart makes it easy to fit earning opportunities into your busy schedule. One of the most popular ways to earn on EarnSmart is by taking surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. EarnSmart partners with numerous market research firms to provide you with a steady stream of survey opportunities. These surveys cover a wide range of topics, from consumer goods to current events, ensuring there's always something that piques your interest. If you prefer a more passive earning experience, EarnSmart also allows you to earn by watching videos. These videos can range from entertaining clips to informative content. Simply sit back, relax, and watch the videos play. EarnSmart will reward you for your time, and you might even discover something new and interesting along the way. For the gamers out there, EarnSmart offers a selection of mobile games that allow you to earn while you play. These games are free to download and play, and you'll earn rewards based on your in-game progress. It's a fun and engaging way to turn your leisure time into extra cash. EarnSmart is constantly updating its game offerings to keep the experience fresh and exciting. EarnSmart goes beyond traditional earning methods with its innovative cashback shopping feature. This feature allows you to earn rewards on your everyday purchases. Simply link your debit or credit card to your EarnSmart account, and you'll automatically earn cashback on eligible purchases made through the app. EarnSmart partners with a wide variety of online and in-store retailers, covering everything from groceries to electronics. With cashback shopping, you're not only earning extra money, but also saving on your regular expenses. Imagine getting a percentage of your money back every time you shop for necessities or treat yourself to something special. EarnSmart makes it possible. The cashback you earn accumulates in your EarnSmart account and can be withdrawn once you reach the minimum threshold. EarnSmart's cashback shopping feature is a game changer for savvy shoppers. It seamlessly integrates with your existing shopping habits and rewards you for your loyalty. Whether you're buying groceries, ordering takeout, or shopping for the latest gadgets, EarnSmart helps you make the most of every dollar you spend. Now that you're familiar with the various earning opportunities available on EarnSmart, let's delve into some practical tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. Firstly, consistency is key. Make it a habit to check the EarnSmart app daily for new earning activities and cashback offers. The more tasks you complete, the more rewards you'll accumulate over time. Secondly, pay attention to your profile information. EarnSmart uses this information to match you with relevant surveys and offers. Make sure your profile is up to date and accurate to increase your chances of receiving high-paying opportunities. Additionally, consider enabling notifications to receive alerts about new tasks and promotions. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of referrals. EarnSmart offers a generous referral program that allows you to earn rewards for inviting your friends and family to join the platform. Share your unique referral link with your network, and you'll earn a bonus for every successful referral. Referrals are a great way to boost your earnings passively. In conclusion, EarnSmart is more than just a side hustle app, it's a gateway to financial freedom. By providing a diverse range of earning opportunities, EarnSmart empowers you to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, paying off student loans, or simply looking for some extra spending money, EarnSmart can help you get there. The beauty of EarnSmart lies in its flexibility and accessibility. You're in the driver's seat, choosing when, where, and how you want to earn. Whether you have a few minutes to spare during your commute or a few hours to dedicate each week, EarnSmart allows you to seamlessly integrate earning opportunities into your existing routine. With its user-friendly interface and transparent earning system, EarnSmart makes it easier than ever to unlock your earning potential. So, why wait? Download EarnSmart today and embark on your journey to financial empowerment. Start earning extra cash, take control of your finances, and unlock a world of possibilities with EarnSmart. Remember, every step you take towards financial freedom is a step in the right direction.